Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have GRT, the graph daily update. We are going to see the next price target, possible rebuying entries as it met almost our first target, then it had a correction. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription, link in the description down below and in the comment section. You get easy profits with an automated and a manual system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins, but it doesn't stop there. You will also get personal guidance, education videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways and pine scripts for trading view. You can also join our Telegram group chat, hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see the GRT. So you can see that we are dropping a little bit further down. We almost reached this bottom we had back on 23rd October. So such a sudden crash right here for GRT. It met almost our target. You can see we had 1.20. It went absolutely high into the 1.9024, and there we had a correction going on for some cents. And of course we are going a little bit further down. We are going to see the possible rebuying entries in the price analysis section. I have the timestamps, so if you want to get in there immediately, you can do it right now if you do not have the time to go throughout all the video. MACD right now had a bearish cross. What we hope for is not to get below down from this blue line right here. We get down from this blue line, then this won't be good for the graph GRT. Let's go now to the 4-hour frame, and you can see why we had a very high risk. The RSI was in an overbought situation right here, almost a double top, and now we fall. Same here for the commodity channel index. The commodity channel index and the stochastic RSI though are going into an oversold situation. We will soon have a buying opportunity. We will soon see the GRT going a little bit upwards, okay, but for the time being we might have a swing high and then go a little bit down again. We will discuss everything. Do not worry about that. I'm just showing you that we had a very high risk, and now that we have gone a little bit down from the 50-day MA, let's see how this 4-hour frame will close out. If it closes above 50-day MA, then it's all good. Okay, let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, selling opportunity here for the SSL hybrid, buying opportunity back then, and you can see that we had a very high risk on the daily RSI. This was the most important thing to notice, and the commodity channel index as well. Okay, so for now we might be correcting just a little bit more on the daily frame. That doesn't mean though we will go all the way down. Okay, do not worry about that for the time being, and we want to see, the good news is that we found around the 20-day MA a little bit of a buying pressure, so do not worry so much. Okay, do not worry and hold your coins in case you are in a loss and you didn't sell. Hold the GRT, it will go even higher. Some altcoins crashed down due to the fact that Bitcoin had a minor correction right there. Okay, so do not worry about that. I'm just showing you that we had a very high risk and it was a very healthy correction bound to happen. Okay, bound to meet the targets and to get downwards. Let's go to GRT Bitcoin chart. On here you will see that we had buying pressure on the 50-day MA. Let's see how we will close this out. On the GRT Bitcoin chart though, we are near an oversold with the commodity channel index. We are getting there, actually not near, and the stochastic RSI is in an oversold. That is pretty good. You can see that we had a little bit of a minor crash right here, and we had the risk metrics going near into an oversold situation. That is good, and that is what we expect right afterwards. We expect maybe to have a buying opportunity, have a swing high, then again having a lower low, and then going back up again with the for GRT against Bitcoin chart. That is on the 4-hour frame. On trading queue, we are going now to the daily frame. On the daily frame, found a little bit of the 50-day MA buying pressure. Same thing for GRT against Bitcoin, the same thing. We didn't approach the 70 for the RSI, but we had a very high risk on the commodity channel index. You can see Fisher transform, you can see the stochastic RSI as well. Okay, so therefore, yes, we had actually a very high risk. Now we do not hold any high risk, except the fact that the commodity channel index is still above the 100, but it will go for sure down from the 100 to around 50 and maybe a little bit less. Let's see GRT on the 4-hour frame as well. As I told you, we will actually communicate, and of course I will advise you on the rebuying entries. So we have the 92 cents, the 85 and we have the 76. Can it go there? Maybe yes it can, but before we go down in this area, we might be having a little bit of a swing high and then correct just a little bit. Okay, you do not want to get in the GRT right now immediately, although the good news is that we are getting into an oversold situation for GRT on the USD chart. Okay, same for the stochastic RSI right here, and same for the Fisher transform. It is going down from the 1.5, right? So these are very, very beautiful stuff right there, and we want to see them going on. For Bitcoin right here on the 4-hour frame, you can see we corrected a little bit, and this is the reason that we are going down. Although Bitcoin, you will see that it is near an extreme oversold. Okay, commodity channel index on an oversold situation, stochastic RSI in an oversold going as well. So this will help altcoins. The fact that Bitcoin will go soon into upside, actually upwards, will help GRT and many other altcoins. Okay, so do not worry about anything right now and hold your coins. On the midterm, you will regret that you sold. If you sell them, you will regret it on the midterm. Not a financial advice, but it is just my humble opinion right there, and I want to tell you what I'm seeing on the charts. And what I'm seeing is that Bitcoin will find its way upside, okay, upwards, and of course the other altcoins will follow. But for the time being, yes, I know this is a little bit frustrating, but do not worry. Okay, so focus more on these two targets, 85 and 76 cents. And before we close the video, actually join the monthly subscription, link in the description down below in the comments section as well. Buy me coffee/mind your crypto. Do not forget that you will get easy profits, you will get many other benefits. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.